Did you know that just a 1-second delay in page load time can lead to decreased conversions? Stay tuned as we explore how Magento 2 Performance Toolkit can optimize the performance of your website. Let's understand the significance of performance testing in Magento 2. It helps ensure smooth and fast user interactions. Smooth interactions keep users engaged. Prepare your store for peak traffic periods to maintain a consistent user experience. It uncovers potential stability issues to identify and fix potential issues before they cause downtime. Efficient resource usage cuts hosting costs and improves response times. Faster websites fine-tune performance to reduce cart abandonment and boost conversion rates. Magento 2 site loads quickly and performs consistently to enhance customer loyalty and attract new customers. Identify and address potential system failures, data losses, and security risks. Next, let's cover some key features and components of the Magento 2 toolkit. Apache JMeter integration tests load and measures performance with ease. Test scenarios and profiles generate realistic test data for effective performance analysis. Scalability and extensibility handle everything from small-scale tests to large-scale production. Performance optimization tools provide scripts for benchmarking to enhance response times and site speed. User-friendly GUI helps set up and manage performance tests, even for non-tech users. Using this toolkit offers several benefits. It pinpoints and fixes issues before they impact users, saving on potential downtime costs. They test your site's behavior under peak traffic conditions to ensure stability and trustworthiness. It provides detailed analytics and reports to help businesses make informed decisions. Here's a step-by-step guide to installing and configuring the toolkit. Download the latest version of the toolkit from the official Magento site or repository. Unzip the toolkit package into a directory within your Magento 2 installation. Ensure all requirements specified by the toolkit are met. Update properties to point to your Magento installation to configure the database and URL details. Use the predefined test plans or create custom plans tailored to your specific needs. Next, let's understand the steps to prepare your Magento 2 site for testing. Use the Magento 2 toolkit to generate comprehensive test data reflecting real-world scenarios. Import the generated data into your Magento database to replicate production data. Create a dedicated testing environment to avoid any disruptions or data corruption. Configure the test environment settings to catch mechanisms and third-party services. Implement robust logging and monitoring tools to capture system performance metrics during testing. Perform baseline testing to establish initial performance metrics for your Magento 2 site. Gradually increase the load using JMeter to assess the site's capability to handle increased traffic. Conduct stress testing to determine the system's maximum capacity and behavior under extreme conditions. Analyze test results from JMeter and monitoring tools to identify performance bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Apply performance optimizations based on test results. Iterate testing procedures after implementing optimizations to measure their effectiveness and ensure continual performance improvement. Utilizing the toolkit and following the steps mentioned above, you can identify and address potential issues, enhance user experience, and achieve continual performance improvement. That sums up the Magento 2 Performance Toolkit. If you found this information helpful, subscribe and share for more insightful insights.